Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to solve one of the issue, that is ng command not found. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that I've tried to run my project ngserve. It says that the bash ng command not found. So we are going to learn how to fix this issue, right? So let's get started. So first of all, we have to run this link, npm link Angular CLI. Maybe it's missing, so link that one. Okay, so first we are going to run this, because here you can see that the Angular CLI requires minimum v18. Okay, so I think this is run. Now we have to run our project ngserve. Okay, and here you can see that my project is started running, and here you can see that I can open the project and it's running, right? So this is how you can fix this issue, and the rest you can uninstall the Angular CLI and cache clean and again install the Angular CLI, right? So these are the fixes for the ng command not found. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.